back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review, but if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then watch the previous video that I have uploaded. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to get into this wig review. So the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today is from eForest. It is a long curly wavy wig. It's 28 inches and it is synthetic. Is heat resistant, and what is it, doesn't it have like a little bit of lace? Because it has a lace on it as I'm looking at it. And this wig I bought with my own money, but I will let y'all know. I'll always let y'all know whether I bought it myself or whether it was sent to me by a company. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is what it's looking like. It has a part already, which obviously I'm going to try my best to match my skin tone to it and put some like powder on it or concealer. And it has this little bit of lace right there, and this is what it's looking like. Of course I'm gonna add some water to it or some type of liquid. So now I'm taking just some concealer, Juvia's Place concealer in the number 8. This may not work how I wanted to, but I'll just take some powder if not. I didn't need to cover the whole thing because it's just like this little slip of scalp or whatever that'll be showing. And it comes with 3 combs, 1, 2, 3. So first I'm gonna spray it with some wig out leaving detangler. Oh no, I did not just spray my eye. Oh my god, be careful, child. It smells so good. And this leave-in detangler is from Style Factor. I did not buy this myself. This was sent to me by another YouTuber, Crowned K, when she collaborated with Style Factor to do giveaways. So I was one of the lucky people. I'm just gonna clip the hair out the way while I'm doing this because I don't want to say this is my first time, but we'll see. I don't know, y'all. Let's see what I could do with this synthetic hair. I don't even think I'm gonna glue it. I think that's just a waste of time. I don't know, like, this is synthetic, so let's see what I could do with it. I'm gonna take some got to be glued. This is the one in the black bottle. I ended up finding this, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and Satin Finish in the shade Rich Chocolate. And this shade is very, very, very close to my skin tone. So I'm just gonna take it and put it here. I know I'm getting it on the hair, I know, but I'm gonna fix it. Now I'm gonna go in with just a black and fix. Now I'm going to take this black scarf and just tie it tightly so that this little top can maybe flatten a little bit, because that's really annoying. So I do want to do some baby hair. I managed to part off these sections from the front. So, and I just went in with some more powder like up here. And that should be good. It looks like my skin tone. And then I'm just going to taper it off. Now I'm going to take some Style Factor Edge Booster pomade and I'm going to just only take a little bit and lay them down. So I just tied the black scarf on pretty tightly, and because I really want that bump to like just look semi-normal, because this is a synthetic wig, so I'm trying to do as best as I can with it. So I'll be back after the finished product. So this is what I'm looking like, and I mean, it's all right. Like, I mean, it's synthetic, so this is what it looks like after I've already brushed it like several times. You know, synthetic hair tangles. So this is what it's looking like after I brushed it several times. So I'm gonna have to brush it again. And as far as the lace part, the little lace part, that's all. This is pretty much all I could do with it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna just, I mean, I wanted to do this part so I could show y'all how the lace looks, but I'm most likely not about to wear it like this because it's just, it's not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. And I didn't like how the baby hairs look like. Baby hairs on synthetic wigs is not this stuff. It's not this stuff. So yeah, I'm probably about to throw this yellow scarf on it. It's gonna be cute like that. And yeah, so this is the end of the wig review. Hope you enjoyed. I got more wig reviews coming. And again, if you would like to see how I did this makeup look, this video should be posted after the makeup look. So the makeup look is already up, so go ahead and check that out to see how I got this look. So again, y'all, this wig is from the brand E Forest on Amazon, and it is their long curly wavy wig. It's 28 inches, it's synthetic hair, and it's lace. It's heat resistant, and it says no shedding, but it sheds a lot. It sheds a good amount. So, and it's tangly. I think I already said that it's heat resistant. It says no shedding, but it does shed, sweetheart. I will always be honest on these wig reviews. I will always be honest whether I bought the hair or not, or whether it was sent to me or not. I'm gonna be honest. So yeah, that's my review. I got more wig reviews coming. I got a lot of wigs coming in. Some of them I bought myself, and some of them were sent to me by some companies. So until next time, y'all, have a blessed night, have a blessed day whenever you're watching this. Stay prayed up, because the world we living in today is very dangerous, and you need the protection of God. You need the Holy Spirit to guide you. So yes, be blessed. I pray protection over you and your loved ones. All right, I'm out.